Welcome my dear students. In this video I am going to discuss a new software, that is R and R Studio. Let me start with the introduction to R and R Studio. R Studio is a must-know tool for everyone who would like to work with the R programming language. So R is basically a programming language, where R Studio is a tool for us to work with R programming language. It is used in data analysis to import, access, transform, explore, plot and model data, and for machine learning to make predictions on data. Before we discuss what RStudio is and why should we use it, let us first define what R is. R is a popular programming language and free and open source software which is used in data analysis and data science. R is especially powerful in performing advanced statistical computing and creating compelling plots. R provides more than 18,000 dedicated data science packages, both multipurpose and narrowly specialized ones. It is a technology which is well supported by an active and helpful online community and is compatible with various operating systems. So we would like to ask, what is RStudio? RStudio is a flexible and multi-functional open source IDE, that is integrated development environment. In addition, it is also adapted to many other programming languages such as Python and SQL. RStudio offers various helpful features. For example, it is a user-friendly interface. It has the ability to write and save reusable scripts. It has easy access to all the imported data and created objects like variables, functions, etc. It has exhaustive help on any object, and it has code auto completion, and it has the ability to create projects, to organize and share your work with your collaborators more efficiently. And we can also preview plots, and there is an easy switching between terminal and console, and it has operational history tracking, and finally plenty of articles from RStudio support on how to use IDE, that is integrated development environment. Now the question is how to use RStudio. After we have successfully installed RStudio, we'll open it and explore its main parts and try to perform various operations on it. So we start with RStudio interface. Opening RStudio will automatically launch R software, and the platform interface looks like the following. So this is how RStudio look like when we open it for the first time. So here we have console, and here we have the environment, and here we have something else. So roughly speaking, we can divide the working window into three areas. Left area, that is the upper left area. This area includes the tabs console, terminal and background jobs. Left area on top includes top right area here includes the tabs environment, history, connections and tutorial, and similarly the bottom right area here includes tabs, files, plots, packages, help, viewer and presentation. So these are the three areas in the working window of RStudio. So let us explain console a little bit more. On this step, we first see the information about the R version in use and also some basic commands to try. At the end of those description, we can type our R code, press enter and get the result below the code line. For example, if you try to run 2 multiplied by 2, and we will see what happens. So we will see the answer of this. So that will be equal to 4. Virtually we can do here anything we would like to do in any other R program. For example, we may install and load R packages, performing simple or complex mathematical operations. We may assign the result of an operation to a variable, to import data, create common types of R projects like vectors, matrices, and data frames, exploring the data, statistical analysis, building data visualization. However, when we run our code directly in the console, it is not saved for being reproduced further. So if you need, and we usually do, to write a reproducible code to solve a specific task, we have to record and regularly save it in a script file rather than in the console. So the second window, the working window in the interface, is environment. Whenever we define a new or reassign an existing variable in RStudio, it is stored as an object in the workspace and gets displayed together with its value on the environment tab in the top right area of the RStudio window that I just showed in the previous slide. Try running greeting hello world in the console and see what happens on the environment tab. This also relates to more complex objects such as data frames. When we import data as a data frame, we see in the workspace not only the name of the new object but also the values and data type of each column. Moreover, we can display even more details about each object, such as its length and memory size. In the example below, we created two variables in the console, that is greeting hello world and my vector 1 2 3 4. Note how they are displayed on the environment tab. So it will be like this. For example, here we run this greeting hello and world, and similarly my vector with C1 2 3 4. So these are displayed here. So this is in the environment, this is in the console. This script has been written in the console, and we have this in our right top window. Note that now we can also see the length and size of each object. In the grid displayed mode, the box appears to the left of each variable. We can tick any of those boxes and click the broom icon to remove the corresponding objects from the workspace. For example, here you can see, if you tick this and you then hit this one, then this will be removed, and it asks a question: are you sure you want to remove one object from the environment? This operation cannot be undone. So if you press yes, then this will be removed, and if you press no, then it will remain here. If you tick the box to the left of the name column and click the broom icon, or if we just click this icon in the previous display mode, we shall clean our workspace. It will remove all the variables from it. Other important tabs are terminal, to run commands from the terminal; history, to track the history of all the operations performed during the current RStudio session; files, to see the structure of the working folder, reset the working folder, navigate between folders, etc.; and plots, to preview and export created data visualizations; and packages, to check what packages were loaded and load or unload packages by switching on of the box to the left of package name. So my dear students, this was a brief introduction to R and RStudio. In the coming videos, I'll discuss other things like how to import data, how to analyze data, how to write scripts in RStudio, and how to solve various problems. So thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get timely notification about my other videos that I'll